Alright class, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the 135 graphing shortcut to graph a parabola much more quickly than other methods we've seen so far. So let's say, for example, we were given the equation y equals x squared minus 4x plus 5, and we were asked to graph it. Now, the graphing process, there's a bunch of different points we can find, but if you want to use this 135 shortcut, the first step is to find the vertex. And there's a couple different ways to do this. When you're in standard form, one method you might use is the x equals negative b over 2a. You can use this formula to find the x value of your vertex, plug it in to get the y value. So let's do this with this example. Negative of negative 4, we're going to put a positive 4 on top, over 2, and a is 1, so 2 times 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so our x value of our vertex is 2. To get our y value, we plug that back in. So we have 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 5. Quick order of operations, that's 4 minus 8 plus 5. So negative 4 plus 5, that gives us positive 1. So our vertex for this problem is going to be at 2, 1. All right, now we know where we're starting. We're going to go to our graph, and I'm going to plot that point at 2, 1. This is our vertex. The 135 trick means that we're going to start at that point. We're going to go to the right, over 1, and up 1. That's 1, over 1, up 1. For 3, we go over 1, and then up 1, 2, 3. So you just go from one point to the next, over 1, over 1, up 3, and then we can go over 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 5. It's always over 1, but you change how much you go up. And then we can, since parabolas are symmetric, we can go back the other direction. So we can go left 1, up 1, left 1, up 3, left 1, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to erase some of my work here. If we connect our dots, we've got a nice graph of the parabola for y equals x squared minus 4x plus 5. So this is step 2. Step 1, find your vertex, which is right here. Step 2, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 3, over 1, up 5. And that's it. It's that simple to graph something. Let me show you another example. This time, we will graph from vertex form. Let's try out y equals negative 2, parentheses x minus 5 squared plus 8. Same first step, we need to find our vertex. Only this is in vertex form, which is nice. It just gives us the vertex. The number near x gives us the x-coordinate. We just have to switch the sign. The number hanging out here by itself gives us the y-coordinate. This time, though, we don't switch the sign, okay? So we leave this the same as this. Or, sorry, we leave these the same, change the sign here. And that comes from the formula that I'm sure you've seen before, x minus h squared plus k, where our vertex is hk. That's vertex form. Now this problem's a little different than the last one because we have this negative 2 value for a. Because a is negative, we know our parabola is going to open downwards. So we have to change our 135 a little bit. So instead of being 135, we take 135 and multiply it by a, which is negative 2. So negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. So our 135 rule has just become negative 2, negative 6, negative 10. Okay, let's go to our graph. I'll erase this one we had before. Okay. So what do we know? We know our vertex is at the coordinates 5, 8. And instead of 135, our rule is now negative 2, negative 6, negative 10. And I probably should write this over somewhere else. Vertex at 5, 8. And our rule is negative 2, negative 6, negative 10. So I'm going to go over 5 and up 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my vertex. And then I go over 1, but instead of going up 1, I go down 2. Over 1, down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over 1, down 10. And then I can make it symmetric. I can go back the other direction. And there's my parabola. I just have to connect the dots. Like that. That's simple. You can get a 5-point graph really, really quickly with this method. So, just to summarize everything, your steps are: find the vertex. Step 2, multiply 1, 3, 5 by your A value. So if A is 1, you just keep it 1, 3, 5. If it's any other number, like in that example with the -2, you multiply these numbers by that number. So -2 times 1, -2 times 3, -2 times 5. Whatever A is, you multiply that. Step 3, plot vertex. Step 4, plot other points by going over 1. When I say over, I generally mean to the right. So over to the right, 1. And up or down by the values from step 2. Step 5, reflect to make a parabola. I think that the steps are a little confusing when they're written out like this, but when you see the examples, I hope that they make sense for you. Alrighty, thanks for watching.